One of my friends said that she's not a huge fan of the Estee Lauder Double Wear foundation, and I was like, no way. This is my holy grail foundation ever, and I can't really accept when someone says that they don't like it. Yes, I can totally get it. It might not work for you, but in the same time, you might not apply it properly. So keep on watching, because I'm gonna share some tips and tricks on how to apply it to get the most flawless finish. First things first, make sure to apply a primer. I said this multiple times before, and I'm gonna say it once again. It's so important to prep your skin before you go with any foundation, with any makeup in general, because no makeup in the world is gonna make any difference if your skin is not well moisturized, if your skin is not prepared. I'm gonna use the Estee Lauder Futurist Aqua Brilliance Primer because I have the feeling that these two work so well together, but you guys can definitely go for any primer that works for you. If you are a little bit overwhelmed and you are not sure which primer is the best one on the market, just have a look at my previous videos. In that video, I'm talking about some of my favorite primers you can find on the market at this point. After you apply the primers, any primers in general, you have to give them like 15 seconds or so to have enough time to get into the skin, and only afterwards you can go with the foundation. Now comes the fun part, because this foundation has like a medium to high coverage. What I love to do is to actually mix it with this serum. I'm not quite sure if this serum needs any introduction, any description at all, because if you love Estee Lauder, or if you love the Estee Lauder foundation, most probably you heard about this serum as well. It's absolutely amazing. Now comes the fun part. I'm gonna take a couple of drops from this serum. I'm just gonna put them in my hand. I have to mention that there is one thing I don't like about this foundation. It doesn't come with a pump. I find this so annoying because I don't know how much product should I put. Sometimes I end up putting way too much. I'll have to check this, but if I remember well, they used to have some pumps on their website, so you can buy them individually. Let's mix them together. Now I'm just gonna go with the foundation all over the face with my finger. Foundation has a really good coverage, so you actually don't need much. To make sure that I have the same shade, I'm gonna go with the foundation on my neck as well. And the next thing I'm gonna do is to use a damp beauty blender. Once again, a damp beauty blender, not a foundation brush. It's literally the only foundation that it's actually staying in place and it's not gonna go all over your clothes. It's gonna last so beautiful during the day as well. Trust me, I tried so many foundations by now. So the day I discovered that this foundation actually looks nice only when you apply it with a damp beauty blender was the best day of my life. I hope so much that many of you will decide to give this combo a go, and if you do so, please let me know how did it work for you.